Hello friends, welcome to our truthcorner.com videos. Today we will see, are chia seed good for weight loss? Chia seed has gained significant popularity due to their impressive nutritional profile. Packed with fiber, protein and healthy fats, they are often promoted as a superfood for various health benefits. One of the key claims is that chia seed can aid in weight loss. But how true is this? Let's explore whether chia seeds are effective for weight loss management. High in fiber for fullness. Chia seeds are rich in soluble fiber which absorb water and form a gel-like substance when hydrated. This property helps increase the feeling of fullness and slow down digestion, reducing hunger and cravings. When consumed before or during a meal, chia seed can help you feel satisfied for longer period, potentially reducing overall calorie intake. Low in calorie and nutrient dense. Despite being high in fiber and healthy fat, chia seeds are relatively low in calories. 1 ounce, about 2 tablespoons, contain around 137 calories, making it a nutrient-dense, low-calories addition to meals. By replacing higher calorie snack or adding chia seed to meals, you can enhance their nutritional value without significantly increase your calorie intake. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids. Chia seeds are excellent plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids which are known to support heart health and reduce inflammation. This healthy fat can also help regulate hormones related to hunger and metabolism. Including chia seed in your diet can provide essential fat without contributing to weight gain as they promote a healthy metabolism and may improve fat burning efficiency. How to include chia seed for weight loss? Chia seeds are versatile and easy to add to your diet. You can sprinkle them on salad, blend them into smoothies, or make chia pudding by soaking them in liquid overnight. Adding chia seeds to your meals can increase fiber intake and help curb overeating, making them a practical choice for those looking to manage their weight. Chia seeds can be beneficial addition to weight loss diet due to their high fiber content, low calorie count and healthy fat. While they are not a magical solution, incorporating chia seeds into balanced diet may help control appetite and support long-term weight management. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.